Imagine creating an entire video game, characters, rules, environment, everything, with just one prompt. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, welcome to the future. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a fully playable game using a single AI-generated prompt. No coding from scratch. No complex engines. Just the right tools, a smart approach, and a little creative magic. Whether you're a beginner or just short on time, this method will blow your mind. So, if you've ever wanted to make your own game but didn't know where to start, this is where you start. Let's dive in. Before we jump into today's project updates, here's a quick announcement for everyone. We've launched a brand new YouTube channel called AI Agent Studio, dedicated entirely to AI agent projects, tutorials, and tools. So if you're interested in staying up to date with the latest AI agent open source projects, learning how to build your own agents, or exploring cutting-edge agent frameworks, make sure to check it out. Subscribe now to get weekly videos, in-depth guides, and real-time project breakdowns. The link is right there in the description. Don't miss it. All right, let's get into today's video. Genspark AI, the powerhouse of generative intelligence unleashing creativity through code and consciousness. First, go to the Genspark AI website. On the homepage, click on Sign Up with Google. You'll see multiple login options, including Sign in with Microsoft, Sign in with Google, or use your email and password. For this guide, we'll choose Google. Once you select your Google account and approve access, you'll be successfully logged in. Right from the moment you land on the platform, you'll notice its sleek and user-friendly interface. On the left-hand side, you'll find the dashboard slider. You can expand or collapse it based on your preference for a full or compact view. Let's walk through the main sections. Home section. This is your starting point. Here, you'll get an overview of your activities, tools, and recent projects. Everything you need to get started or pick up where you left off. Super Agent. Next up is the Super Agent section. This is where the real magic happens. Super Agent is your smart assistant, built to help you automate tasks, generate content, answer complex questions, and much more. Image Studio. Now, this is where creativity takes center stage. The Image Studio houses a suite of powerful tools designed to bring your visual ideas to life. Here's what you'll find inside. Image Generator. Create stunning AI-generated images from just a prompt. Image to video. Transform your static images into dynamic, engaging videos. Background remover. Easily erase backgrounds to make your visuals pop. Magic eraser. Remove unwanted objects or blemishes from any image with precision. Magic redraw. Regenerate or enhance parts of an image to give it a fresh, new look. And that's just the beginning. There's much more to explore in the Image Studio to help you unlock your creative potential. Video Generator. Moving forward, you'll discover the powerful Video Generator, a cutting-edge tool designed to bring your stories and ideas to life through video. In this section, you have two main options for creating videos. Text to video. Simply enter a prompt, and the AI will generate a video based on your description. What truly sets this feature apart is the variety of advanced AI models available for video generation. You can choose from industry-leading models, including Kling version 1.6, known for its cinematic quality and dynamic animations; Pixverse version 3.5, great for detailed, vivid storytelling visuals; Lumilab's Dream Machine delivers ultra-smooth transitions and high-quality visuals for a more immersive experience. Image to video. Upload an image, and the tool will animate it into a captivating video. And that's not all. Within the Video Generator, you can customize your video output by setting the resolution and size of the video, landscape, portrait, square, etc. The duration of the video, allowing full control over timing and pacing. Deep Research section. Next up is the Deep Research section, your go-to space for diving deep into any topic. Whether you're exploring a niche subject, analyzing complex data, or gathering in-depth insights, this tool is designed to help you research comprehensively and intelligently. All Agents section. After deep research, we arrive at the All Agents section, a centralized hub where all the AI agents are grouped together for easy access. This section is neatly organized into two powerful categories. Advanced agents. These are your high-level AI assistants, built for more complex and specialized tasks. In this category, you'll find Genspark Super Agent, the all-in-one powerhouse for content generation, automation, and advanced tasks. Agentic Deep Research, a specialized research agent for deep dive analysis across any domain. Call for Me, a productivity agent that handles calls, responses, and communication tasks on your behalf. And more specialized agents that elevate your workflow and productivity. Basic agents. Perfect for everyday tasks, these agents offer essential functionality in a simplified format. This includes AI Chat, a smart conversational assistant ready to answer questions, brainstorm, or assist with daily needs. Image Studio, for creating, editing, and enhancing visuals. Generate Video, quick and intuitive video creation using prompts or images. Whether you're looking for powerful automation or simple creative tools, the All Agent section gives you everything in one place, efficient, organized, and ready to use. Mail Sign Me section. The Me section is your personal activity hub. Here, you'll find a complete history of everything you've done on Genspark AI, from the content you've created to the topics you've searched. It's like your digital journal, keeping track of your progress, ideas, and explorations in one convenient place. Quick access to history. In addition to the Me section, you'll also find a dedicated history panel located right next to the left side dashboard. This panel gives you instant access to your recent creations, searches, chats, and projects, so you can quickly jump back into your work without missing a beat. New Chat feature. Need a fresh start? On the top right corner of the interface, you'll see the New Chat button. Click this anytime you want to begin a brand new conversation or project with Genspark AI. Whether you're starting a new idea, asking a different question, or switching topics, this feature gives you a clean slate to work from instantly. Central Feature Hub. At the heart of the Genspark AI interface, right in the center of your screen, you'll find the core features that power your creativity and productivity. This is your main workspace, a smart, intuitive area where you can take action with just a click. Here, you'll see quick access buttons to some of Genspark's most powerful tools, including Generate Video. Instantly create videos from text prompts or images. Generate Image. Bring your ideas to life with AI-generated visuals. Deep Research. Dive into comprehensive research with precision and clarity. Call for Me. Let the AI handle tasks or communication on your behalf. All Agents. Access the full range of AI agents, both basic and advanced, all from one place. This centralized layout makes it easy to switch between tools and tasks, keeping everything you need within reach. Smart Message Box. Just below these tools, you'll find the Message Box, your command center for chatting with Genspark AI. You can type in any question, prompt, or research topic, and the AI will respond in real time. Whether you're creating, brainstorming, researching, or automating a task, this is where the magic starts. File and document upload. To the bottom right corner of the message box, there's an option to upload files and documents. This allows you to share content directly with the AI for analysis, enhancement, or reference, whether it's a PDF, image, document, or other supported formats. It's perfect for working collaboratively with the AI on existing materials or generating new content based on your uploads. To create a game, we first need to enter a prompt. For example, create a simple online snake game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript where the player controls a snake that moves around a grid-based canvas, collecting food to grow longer while avoiding collisions with the walls or itself. The game should have a visually appealing interface with a responsive layout that works on both desktop and mobile browsers. Use keyboard arrow keys or swipe gestures on mobile for controls. Implement a scoring system that increases with each food item eaten, and display game over messages with the option to restart. Add smooth animations and real-time updates using Request Animation Frame for a polished experience. Once you've typed it in, hit enter and wait a few seconds for the result. Let's see what we get. And there it is. The game has been created. It's absolutely fabulous and runs smoothly. Let's try another example. Type the prompt, create a web-based snake game in the style of a 1980s arcade game with pixelated graphics, neon colors, and chiptune sound effects. Press enter and wait a few seconds for the result. Now, let's take a look. The game is created, and it looks amazing. Let's move on to the next example. Just type the prompt. Build a clean, minimalist snake game with a flat UI, soft animations, and muted color palette, ideal for mobile and desktop browsers. Then press enter. Now, wait a few seconds for the result to load. Let's take a look at the outcome. The game looks perfect. Awesome work. And that's it. You've just taken your first step into game development. Whether it's a simple prototype or the beginning of your next big idea, remember, every great game starts with a single line of code. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Got questions or want to share your creation? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to see what you're building. Until next time, keep creating, keep coding, and keep playing.